If you are like most people that I've been talking to about making money online, you probably must have understood that making money online is an unending process. You can never get tired of making money online when there are many other ways you can make money online. Setting up a new source of income can be quite strange and stressful. So in some cases you might be like, oh, this source of income is too tough for me and it's just something that I can't do, or it's not meant for me. My friend, you got to try it out. You got to give it a try. Sometimes by having multiple sources of income, you realize that some are so easy while some are so hard. In the process, you need to develop those that are so hard for you, because some people are there that those things are so easy for them, and as you are doing it, you will definitely find some that are more compatible with your lifestyle, and you will never get tired of doing it. Today's video is divided into two segments, which are how to make steady income with your business and how to make steady income with your skill. You might be wondering, oh, what do I mean by steady income? Steady income is a means whereby you can actually leave your business and the business keep running. You can leave your work and your work keep bringing more money to you. That's steady income, and that leads to residual income. So if you have not actually taking your business to that level, my friend, you are not yet doing business. So in this video, I'll be giving you all that. And if you are a business person, stay tuned to this video. If you are into skill, kindly scroll down to the timestamp below and click on the one where I talk more about skill, because I won't like to waste much of your time. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. But wait a minute, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well by clicking the subscription button and the like button also, because I would really appreciate that. So let's dive in. Setting up a business is not easy. It requires a lot of hard work, effort, and money. And if you know you are the type that have a very good idea and you are ready to put in the work, then get started with setting up your business. It will really pay off in the long time and the short time, depending on the kind of business you are doing. However, after setting up your business and getting it off the ground, so you are so happy, and by the end of the day you are so comfortable that you are so tired of, making money as a result of the day-to-day activity. You are the only one going to the office, coming back, you are the only one making all the calls and all that, and you are so tired, you feel like, oh, I have to quit this business. My friend, that's the devil telling you to leave your only source of income. Why don't you try out new things, such as setting up your own online store? You can actually be selling on places like Amazon, eBay, Jumia. That's if you have not done so. And if you have not done so, there's a package where I actually explained about you setting up your online business. You can actually click the link above to actually watch that. And above that, if you are already into e-commerce, then you can set up a coaching section, or you can be doing consultation for people. It's going to make you a lot of money. So by actually stepping up your game, your e-commerce, it will make the business to be more interesting and more adventurous. You learn new things every day. You discover new way to make money every day. As a result of that, you will never get tired of making money. And one of the main ways I discovered that many people get tired of making money is because they are the only one in their business. They are the driver, they are the cashier, they are the customer care representative, they are also the advertiser. Wow, you won't kill yourself. Such a thing, you don't really need it in your business. You have to devise other means to make the work more easier. And while you are doing that, you are supposed to also look for a way to expand your budget so that your customer base can also be expanded, and you have enough money and enough funds to pay your staffs. By the end of the day, you may be on vacation and still be receiving a lot while your staff are working well. So that takes us to our next one, which is freelancing. And if you know you are into skill, then you are probably going to like this chapter of the video. And what do you mean by developing your skill? This is a means that many people they just learn skills and they don't even find a way to develop it. They sit down in one place and hope that, oh God, one day a client is gonna come. A client is not gonna come from anywhere if you are not ready to put in the hard work. So in this chapter, I'm going to be putting you through how you can develop your skill and how you can actually get a client. Freelancing is a great way to make money. No matter the skill you have, you are going to make a lot of money on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, freelance.com. Can you imagine someone just translating from Chinese to English and the person is making a lot of money? You can also be hired as a birthday singer. You can be hired as a well-wisher. You can be hired as someone that's just advising people about certain things. So no matter what you are, whether you are schooled or you are an illiterate, you are meant to make money as a freelancer. So Places like Upwork and freelance.com and Fiverr, those are the places where you can actually start your freelance journey. Another way you can make money as a freelancer is to work for yourself. You might be wondering, why will I work for myself? Am I the one that's going to pay myself? Definitely you are going to pay yourself. How do you do that? Okay, now you have to work to develop yourself. Let your approach speak to the people. Let your personality speak to the people. For instance, if you meet a perfume seller, the person will just come close to you and sit down next to you. Without you asking a question, you know such a person is selling perfume because they will be scenting different kind of perfume. If you meet a tailor today, you just notice that person always wear different kind of style, and you'll be like, hello lady, are you a tailor? And if you are wondering some other ways too, people like hairdressers, stylists, and some other things, you'll be like, wow, this is what you do, right? Yeah, and the person will definitely give you yes. So no matter what you do, make sure that your work stand out. Always serve yourself the right way. You might be wondering, Olawap, I so much like your thumbnail. It's quite amazing, it's attractive. So how did you do it? And I'll tell you that my thumbnail was done by me without using Canva. I did it professionally using my CorelDRAW tool. So by so doing, I've actually marketed myself through what I did to myself. So that's how you can also do the same thing to you. No matter your walk of life, you need to do something. You need to benefit from whatever you are doing. As people are seeing it through you, they will definitely patronize you. They will definitely come in to you. And you can also do promo to your existing clients by telling them, oh, bring in a new client, I will do the next job for you for free. That's just like that. And sit down and relax, and the next client will be doing the job for you for free. My pro tip for you today, my viewer, is to ensure that whichever service you offer to a client, it's top notch. Try as much as possible to gain that customer satisfaction, even if you don't get paid much in that particular service. Number one thing is that it will help you to develop yourself more. You gain more experience while doing it. And the second thing is that the client trusts you more and would like to recommend you to more people. So when you do such a thing, you get more clients and you get paid better. So another thing I want you to know is that you need to make more research about whichever service you are offering, maybe on YouTube or on Google. It will really help you a lot, and it will help you step up your game in the freelance industry. Ideas are the main foundation of any skill or business. If you've been thinking about, oh, my skill, I don't know which skill to go for, I don't know which business to start, then you don't have idea. Then to think about the idea, you need to actually think about what problem people are facing. For instance, this topic now, I had about 5 other topics that came to my mind when I was thinking about this topic, but I chose this topic. Why? Because number one, I'm passionate about it. Number two, I was once in your shoes, so this had happened to me before, and this is exactly how I escaped it. And number three is because I knew that this topic, someone is actually out there researching about how to get out of this mess. Then I decided to make the script and also make the video, bring everything together and to be presented to you. So if there's something that you feel like I've left out in this video, you can actually drop that in the comment section below. And if you also have any further question about this particular video, I would really appreciate if you drop it in the comment section below, because I will definitely be there to respond to you. Now if you now think that 2023 is here and I must start a e-commerce business, but you don't know how to get started, well, there's a video right by my side here that's going to show you how to do that. It just popped up now, so look at that video and get started with it.